Robots are officially entering the fine motor skills era. Genesis AI just unveiled Gene 26.5, a robotics foundation model capable of handling delicate, human-style tasks like cooking, solving Rubik's cubes, lab testing, and even playing piano. In the company's demos, the robots move with surprisingly fluid coordination and precision. Honestly, it's giving intern who never sleeps. The real breakthrough may be the training system behind it. Genesis built a robotic hand that mirrors the human hand and pairs with a sensor-packed glove that captures real human movements for AI training. The company says this could solve one of robotics' biggest problems: lack of high-quality data. Backed by investors including Eric Schmidt, Genesis is pushing toward a future where robots don't just think smarter. They work smarter too.